Dear students, now we are going to discuss new chapter. What is the new chapter? Landforms of the earth. Before I am going to start landforms of the earth, it is very obvious that landforms means different types of land. That means continent, mountain, plateau, and ocean types of. Not ocean but landform only we have what? Mountain, plateau and plain. We have to discuss in this topic, in this chapter, all these things. Before I am going to start all the things, you know very much, you are very inquisitive, and due to this, some question raise in your mind, why some parts of the earth falls of mountain and why some parts of the earth full of plateau and some parts of the earth is a plain area. Okay, this all sorts of question is sought out in this entire chapter, not in video but entire chapter. So you have to watch all the video out and out. And before I am going to start, in earth movement, which is not in your book, but it is very important to know, you guys. So I have to teach this thing here. So in earth, two types of force is working. One is endogenic. Endo means inner part of the earth, which exerted from inner part of the earth is endogenic force. Endogenic force is also called tectonic force, and exogenic force, which is exerted external part of the earth, some climatic phenomenon and some sorts of pressure, atmospheric pressure, rainfall, temperature, like that, all the things, due to which some exogenic forces, due to which landslide, avalanche, rockfall, mass movement and mud slumping occurs. Okay, now look at this. Three types of force we categorize: macro, meso and micro. Okay, and macro we have aperiogenic, orogenic, and meso we have two force. We are going to discuss separate topic, separate chapter, earthquake and volcano. Aperiogenic is vertical force and orogenic is what? Horizontal force. And with this aperiogenic we have emergence and submergence, and orogenic we have tensional force, that means origin of ocean, we are going to discuss how it is, and compressional force, which is origin of folded mountain. Before I am going to talking about anything else, I would like to show you three types of plates, which is, suppose this is plate. Okay, and two types, construction and destruction, two things occur actually, but in plate we have transform, converge and transform plate, converge and diverge. Okay, three types of plate in the plate tectonic theory. We are going to discuss these three plates. Suppose this is plate, two plates here, and this plate, suppose this is the crack, and when this plate gets separated each other, it is what? Divergent plate. What? It is divergent plate. And when these plates get together, it is convergent plate, and this plate parallel together going cross to each other, which is called what? Parallel plates. One is convergent, second is divergent, and third one is transform, that is parallel plate. Okay, it is, I hope it is clear, and it is also clear, these things are clear. But look at this plate. They are in plate tectonic theory. We have two types of plate. One is oceanic and second one is continental plate. So oceanic plate is heavier than continental plate. Okay, when Earth move, the Earth movement occurs, it is very lethargic and very slow process. All the things in endogenic force or tectogenic force is very low and lethargic process. Suppose two plates, here is a crack, assume that this is crack, okay, and this plate get separated due to endogenic forces that which is exerted from asthenosphere. This is also called magnetic force. Okay, with this magnetic force, it is what? Earth movement. We have micro level of what? Forces exerted on this plate, and this plate, if exerted, this plate, it goes, this plate is constant and this plate goes up, mountains forms this sorts of plates, and if this plate is constant and this plate goes below, ocean is formed. Okay, ocean will be formed. Okay, so this is vertical force, and look at this orogenic, that means horizontal force. When it is emerged, that means above, vertically above, what is formed? Land and continent is formed. And when this part of constant and this goes below the earth, it is what? Ocean is formed. That means it is called submergence. Okay. Now orogenic, that means horizontal force. When two plates collides each other, creates tension. Okay, creates tension, and with this tension, origin of ocean is formed. Okay, look at this folded mountain. How folded mountain is? Suppose this is two plates. Suppose this is two plates or two, and they want to come each other, and in this part there are sediments which is occluded by river. In the pressure, it is what? Folded mountain create. Okay. So I know very much it is not very clear, but somehow it is clear. In your book it is not given, and I want to not go in detail all the things because it is very lengthy for you. Okay, thank you so much. And in the second video, we are going to discuss landforms of the earth. That means how mountain is created, how plateau will be formed, and the landforms, all the things in next video. So keep watching. Thank you so much.